Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to this beautiful Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to show you quickly how happy I am with this little gadget or decal clone, whatever it's called. It's a Toolmasters D-bit grinder. I bought this probably, I don't know, 9 months ago. I can't recall anymore. And I was pretty much scared of using it because I didn't know how I'm gonna be able to do something with it. Because the bloke I bought it off said to me that he sold it because it was above his abilities, and I thought it would be same with me. But anyway, maybe 2-3 months ago I did collect enough courage to go and start doing something with it. And from something which looks like this, hopefully you can see that. Oh wait, that doesn't wanna focus please, focus, cost you nothing to focus. So from something like that, you got something like that. And this is the first facet, should I call it, done. And I'll just go one more time because this one here, that little one has a bit of a dark spot there. I'll try to eliminate that if I can somehow. So just bear with me, okay? And we'll try to run you through how that thing works. I mean, this is really nice machine. Difference that it makes from blunt end mills to the sharp end mill is incredible, and I was totally blown with the before and after stuff. Okay, so if you're thinking of buying something like that, I hardly recommend. It's just a matter of finding how it works and what you should be aware of. Okay, all right, let's try that. I'll just show you the setup quickly while I'm here. Just a second. Okay, so I have made a bit of a suction hose. That's gonna take all the grit away. Hopefully it doesn't sit on the machines, and it goes into the hose, into my big cyclone or 2-stage, whatever you call them, doesn't really matter. And yeah, well, this is sort of what you're trying to gain with it. I'm sure you could, maybe if this is the semi-sharp or semi-blunt end mill. You can see how it has the 2 facets on. The first one is this one, and that one is probably, it actually it has a 3 facets on. This is the main one, which is offsetted from here to the end. It's probably like a couple degrees, and then from this end to this end it's roughly 15 degrees. And this tiny little one, the front one, it's 3 to 5 degrees, I believe, from the book. So that's what I'm hoping to get. Well, this one is probably, this one could be a bit sharper because this facet is a little bit too long. It shouldn't be this long. That's probably 1.5 mil or something like that, so it should be less than that. So we'll lick this one when the time comes. But at the moment, it is these ones which are fairly blunt, and some of them are totally and utterly cooked. Like this one, for example, somebody was doing this one with a hand grinder, and you can see the result. It is absolutely rubbish, because all that is cutting is these ends. These ends are cutting edges. So let me show you how this one looks like. I think you can see that. That's fairly. I'll put the camera in the holder. My neighbor is doing a lawn, so he's a bit noisy. At least it's someone else and not me. So this went around fairly good, and I'm really happy how that looks like. Now I'm gonna make these edges. That edge will be next, all right? So that's how it's set. Machine is set for that edge. Now I'll do them quickly, and we'll go from there, all right? A little bit, we'll give up a bit more. Definitely. Yeah, not fair. We'll go on to the next one. see a little bit better, I suppose. I'll give it a bit more. Right, so I hope. Ooh, shish kebab. It's hard to focus that, and it's hard to see how good is that made, but what I can tell you from looking at it closely is, from what I can see, that is it is nice and sharp, every single one of them. So here you can see here that's a bit of a, and here you can also see here. That's something that happens because I don't know what I'm doing. If I would know what I'm doing, that wouldn't happen. But this is absolutely ridiculously sharp. So what would I need to do? I would need to do those sides, but I'm not going to do that because alright, where are we? Let's zoom this out. Light is killing us. Okay, so for someone who is a proper machinist, I know that this looks like a dog's food, but for me this is good enough for the bush. So what I'll do, I'll chuck this in the mill, and I'll chuck a bit of material in, and I'll try that. Okay, all right, bear with me. So we have a first blood on this machine. Anyway, Let me bring that down. Or should I say up? Okay. So, I don't know how sharp this is, and by my crooked eyes that'll take a little bit off. I don't even know how much, but we'll see. And yeah, that's too slow. I'll turn this off. I'll switch to the, oh no, this was high. This was high, sorry. Okay. I'll say 600 rounds per minute. Will that do anything? Let's see. It does, but very little. It's taking off very, very little. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to take, let's say, 0.6 of a mil. Let's see what it does. Look at that, it's singing. It is taking that like it's nothing, really. And that's not even sharp properly. That's sharp like a second hand. Right. Let's take a bit more. That's 1 mil. That is 1 mil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like what I see. I do like what I see. That was 1 mil. All right. Let's try 1 more mil. 1.6. That's 1 mil. Let's see what it's going to do. Let's see, will this give him a bit of ease? Oops, sorry. That is very nice. And that is cutting very, very good. See guys, let me show you how that looks like from the close-up. It has those lines, but you can't feel them. It's just a... So basically, I'm still shocked that I was able to sharpen that up neatly and nicely as it is, and as it does, and that makes machining to me much easier, better, should I say it, because I have abundance of those end mills. Some of them are new, some of them are old. See here, but I didn't know how to sharpen them. So now, when I do know how to sharpen them, what I'll do, just because I have a time, I'll do these suckers. And yeah, guys, that's all from me for now. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, take care. Cheers.